lights on, baby. I'll leave it on. That's on, that's on, that's on. Doing a walkthrough right now. Looks like they're all working, which is fantastic. I don't want to take these apart. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That one's good. That's not good. Huh. Maybe that one's a bad transformer because the power's still being sent through. So that's the only bad one. Huh. Dang it. Well, I guess I'll be fixing that one. I swear on my life that thing just came on by itself, which would just be totally fine with me because, wait, oh, that's not a fun. Damn. Alright, well, I just like shook it and it turned on, so I don't know if that's probably not the best, but I mean, it ain't turning back off, so I think I'm just gonna call that good, you know what I'm saying? You dig? Guys, in this parking garage, just working on some lights that they wanted to add because it's too dark, so mounted a light there, and I have to MC from here, so I have to run that along the ceiling, which is gonna suck, but whatever. So I'm gonna go around this pillar into the light, and then I tied into this light and then capped it off, and then I'm just running pipe down here. This is super out of focus. I'm running pipe down to make some more, or put some more lights in. So basically, as you can see, every other one there's a light, but there's this darkness right here, so they want to add another light in each bay. So running this pipe down here, and then I got a box here, then I'm just gonna whip out with a piece of MC into the light, which is gonna go right there, and then just a little piece kind of like this. I probably should have left that a little bit longer to get to the ceiling, but anyways. So just gonna be running pipe down here and then putting a box and then MC out into each light. So there's gonna be like 5 of them, I think. So maybe 4 down this row and then that one right there. So I'm just gonna, once I get all that done, I'm just gonna turn the circuit off and then tie that in right there, and then they'll all be working. So I did a bunch of other stuff, which I will update you in a second, but I just wanted to give you an update here in the garage. So yep, so that's what I worked on at the end of the day, and just doing some lead anchors, Zamiac, into the concrete. That's not bolted down yet, but as you can see, we got these little lead anchors right there that you just drill a hole in the concrete and then hammer it in there. So alright, I'll let you guys know what the rest I did for the rest of the day, but I won't be showing you because I'm going home. I got stuff to do, so I'll update you in the car. Alright guys, on the way home, there's cops everywhere. They're crawling. I've already seen 3 or 4, but I'm out here hustling for you guys, so drop me a like and subscribe if you're new. So one part of the day, I went across the street to this other building and did some like under the eave, like receptacles for, I don't know what they're exactly for, but they're weatherproof with the little weatherproof covers on there. So I did like 6 of those, and then I did a whole bunch of other stuff, some low volt panels. I made up like a low volt panel, and then another thing I did was like a SLC or SLD, or I think it's SLC, little, like, I don't know exactly what it was, but it's another low voltage thing. I think it was like, I really don't even know what it's called, some kind of relay or something, SLC relay. So I made that up, and then I ran a low volt Cat 5 cable from this one panel to just coiled up outside of it like a telephone block. I don't know what that's, it's like for some rescue telephone line or something like that. So someone else is gonna make that up, but I I did the other end of it. It was like a 6-pin telephone jack, sorta. And I don't know if I've ever done one of those, maybe once or twice, but like a Ethernet one or whatever. But this one was like more of a phone line, so did that. Seemed like I did it well and it worked correctly, so that was cool. Also, what else did I do today? Tied in the outside lights, as you already saw. Tied in the outside lights into the junction box in the little closet, and tied them in at the home run spot in one of the electrical rooms. So that was basically everything I did today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll try to maybe get some of the other stuff recorded that I just talked about, so you guys can visualize it for some of you guys that aren't familiar with that type of stuff. But it was a really good day. Thank you for all the thoughts and prayers, good vibes. It really put a good impact on my day. So much better than yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, there was a little bit of anxiety just because it was creeping back up on me, but I was trying to shut it down. So I'd say 3/4 of the day was super amazing, and just doing all this different stuff was really fun. And yeah, the only thing that really bothered me today was just putting pressure on myself to try to get stuff done faster, because I felt like I was going slow on some things, running that pipe and the lights and stuff. So had to keep grabbing parts, and it just seems like much wasn't getting done. But now I should be rolling tomorrow, now that I got my system down and all my measurements and everything. So I just have to basically drill into the concrete. It's going to be usually the hardest part or the longest part. Just getting everything straight and looking nice and neat. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Social media is down below once I update that. So yep, I might be uploading this from a friend's house or something. So if you're looking in the description and it's empty, then that's why. So okay, see you guys later. Peace out.